Have you ever wondered how your passwords are kept safe from cyber attacks? Today, we're diving deep into PBKDF2, a cryptographic standard that's been around for over 2 decades but remains crucial in password security. PBKDF2 stands for Password-Based Key Derivation Function 2, a method used to derive cryptographic keys from user passwords. It applies HMAC hash-based message authentication code multiple times to stretch the key and increase security. The recommended minimum number of iterations was 1,000 when PBKDF2 was standardized in RFC 8018 back in the year 2000. However, as CPU speeds have increased over time, it's essential to adjust this parameter for enhanced security. PBKDF2 is resistant to dictionary attacks and rainbow table attacks by utilizing salt values. Salt adds randomness, ensuring that the same password hashed twice will produce different outputs. Despite being over 2 decades old, PBKDF2 remains widely used due to its effectiveness. However, with modern hardware capable of testing hundreds of thousands of hashes per second by 2025, it's important to consider newer algorithms. First lection. PBKDF2 is still recommended in RFC 8018 for password hashing. New functions like argon2 have been designed to address weaknesses found in older algorithms. These newer methods are more resistant to hardware attacks. In summary, PBKDF2 is a reliable standard that has stood the test of time but should be continuously updated. As technology evolves, so must our cryptographic measures to maintain security against increasingly sophisticated attacks. So there you have it, PBKDF2's enduring impact on password security. What other aspects of cryptography do you find fascinating? Let us know in the comments.